The WEFFORT Motorized Blinds M100 offer an extensive range of blackout fabrics that effectively block light and reduce ultraviolet exposure, ensuring maximum privacy and a serene environment for restful sleep. These motorized blinds seamlessly integrate with smart home systems, allowing you to control them through Alexa, Google Assistant, or HomeKit, providing flexibility and convenience for any smart home setup. Designed with energy efficiency in mind, the blinds feature a rechargeable battery that lasts between 4 to 6 months with various charging options, operating quietly at noise levels below 35 decibels. Installation is straightforward with options for inside, outside, or side mounting, requiring only 2 drilled holes and brackets for a secure fit. The product is made to order, allowing customization of dimensions and materials, with an option to order fabric samples for the best match to your home decor. WEFFORT provides excellent customer service, ensuring that any queries or concerns are promptly addressed, enhancing the overall purchasing experience.